Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love pain? Anybody got a...
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size happy planner, and I am going to be planning for the week of March 7th through March 13th. So I'll go ahead and take these pages off the disc. And this is a part of my catch-all planner. So this is the vertical layout section. So this week I'm going to be planning with my new Happy Planner products, my new Value Pack sticker books. This is Blushin It, and I just got these in the mail last week, and it's a part of the new spring release, and I could not wait to use it. So I'm going to use this book, and I've also pulled these two flip books. These are stickers. Really cute. Love the colors. So I think I'll be able to pair at least one of these with the sticker book. Not sure which one yet. And I've also pulled this pack of stickers. This is from the new Work Life series. And let's see. You can see some of the stickers there to do top task, day off, happy hour. Really cute. So I'm going to see if I can pair a couple of these as well. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I ended up only using this flip book. I didn't even open these stickers, though. I just kind of went with this book with the blush colored square bullets. So I absolutely love it. Let's see what it looks like on the disc. And here is my problem again. The disc on this planner are purple. So not quite sure what it's going to look like, but I'm going to put it in anyway, just to get an idea of what I'll be looking at for the rest of the week. So go ahead and put those back on. And even though those discs are screaming at me, I do like how this spread turned out. So I think it is really pretty. And got to pick out my VB pens for the week. I think I am going to go with this one. This is Ooh La La. This was from the VB kit. Ooh La La. So I like that pen. And let's see if I have another one. I think I have another one. This one. This is Little Magic Avenue. So one is this is a glossy pen, and this is a matte, and I think they both look really good with that spread. So all right, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.